Hello there and welcome! This video is very unexpected. Oh, I have to introduce myself as well. I'm Will and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. This video excites me a lot. Just a little about a week ago, I had about 9,000 subscribers, and within a week, I already got 10,000. I didn't even expect to get this in 1 year. Last year, at almost the same time as now, I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I was excited about that. But the growth of this channel just excites me so much, and there's only one thing I can do, and that is say thank you for this awesome community and all the support you gave me. And I really hope for the future to get more support, and I really hope you enjoy watching my videos. There is a lot more videos to come, and as I said in a previous video, they won't be as frequent, but until now I still had a video every week. I know some of them is just a re-upload of a live stream from Twitch, but still I have a video every week. I can't promise that I will do that in the future, but you can watch the other video up here if you want to know why. All I want to do now is just to say thank you to this awesome community that has supported me. I have some mentions that I really want to do that gave me the inspiration and made it possible for me to keep this channel going on. And the biggest support, and that's just my good friend Mike Moans. You can see a picture of him here. And then we have the mini Mad Cat. He's up here somewhere. And those two guys, I hang out in their stream and I really love being there. About maybe once or twice a week, I just go in and visit another good friend of mine. His name is Greg. That's from Dice and Dungeons. It's up here. They are making some awesome content, and I really enjoy hanging out there and enjoy their relaxed painting. There's also something I listen to while I work, and that's Forth. This was actually the channel that kickstarted my inspiration for doing this on YouTube and create all the stuff I have done so far. And another inspiration channel is the Dungeon Dudes with the Dungeons of Dragonheim podcast. That's also a very great inspiration source. And of course, there's all the others I haven't mentioned. I follow a ton of people on Instagram and Facebook and on YouTube as well. But I don't have room for mentioning them all. But all I want to say is thank you for the 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of them. Thank you.